Day 1 of Will It Cat. Today I found this lovely drawing by at Van Gogh and want to see if I can turn it into cat. The point of this series is to try learn the technique from these artists and make a cat out of it, cause why not? For example, I really like the texture of how he shades, so I used the Procreate brush to try and copy it. I also really like the background he added, so I made the same one. Only it says Mio stars because cats. These little stars really add to the aesthetic. Add some texture in. How did I do? Follow for more.